O beauty, find thyself in love, not in the flantry of thy mirror. My heart beats her waves and the shore of the world, and writes upon it her signature in tears, with the words, I love thee. Mom, oh, what do you want? What do you wait? To salute the son for whom I must make way. The trees come up to my window, like the yearning voice of the dumb earth. Its own mornings and new surprises to God. Life finds its wealth by the claims of the world, its worth by the claims of love. The dry riverbed finds no thanks for the past. The bird wishes it were a cloud. The cloud wishes it were a bird. The waterfall sings, I found my song when I found my freedom. I cannot tell why this heart languishes in silence. It is for small needs in the rest, who knows or remembers. Woman, when you move about in your household service, your limb sings like a hill stream among its pebbles. The sun goes to cross the western sea, leaving the last solution to the east. 啊，美啊，在爱中找你自己吧，不要到你静止的禅语中去找寻。我的心把它的波浪在世界的海岸上冲击着，以热泪在上边写着它的题记：我爱你。玉儿啊，你等候什么呢？向我将让位给他的太阳致敬。绿树长到了我的窗前，仿佛是暗哑的大地发出的渴望的声音。神自己的清晨，在他自己看来也是新奇的。生命从世界得到资产，爱情使他得到价值。枯竭的河床并不感谢他的过去，鸟儿愿为一朵云，云儿愿为一只鸟。瀑布歌唱到我得到自由时，便有歌声了。我说不出这心为什么那样默默地颓丧的，是为了他那不曾要求、不曾知道、不曾记得的小小的要求。夫人啊，你在料理家事的时候，你的手足歌唱着，正如山间的溪水歌唱着在小溪中流过。当太阳横过西方的海面时，对着东方留下他最后的敬礼。